Welcome to this release and renew meditation. Before we begin, take a moment to find a comfortable position, either lying down or seated with support. Allow your body to settle into your chosen posture and let the breath begin to lengthen naturally. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a long, slow breath in and a long breath out. Feel your body land here in this moment. We'll move through a soft body scan, a way to release tension, reconnect with yourself, and gently reset from the inside. Bring your awareness to your feet, noticing any sensations there: warmth, coolness, tingling, or even nothing at all. Imagine the feet softening. Move your awareness up to the lower legs, inviting the muscles around the shins and calves to relax. Bring your attention to your knees. Let the knees soften and become heavy. Begin to feel into the thighs and release any gripping or holding that might be happening there. Let the whole lower body grow heavy as it feels the support beneath it. Move your awareness to the pelvis and hips. Imagine that you're breathing into this area, breathing spacious into the pelvis on the inhale, and softening and relaxing the pelvis on the exhale. Bring awareness now to your belly, letting it it rise gently on the inhale and releasing fully on the exhale. Soften the ribs and side body, imagining tension melting down and out of the body into the earth. Move your awareness into your shoulders. Allow them to drop away from the ears. Soften and relax onto the earth. Let them rest. Relax through the arms, elbows, forearms, wrists and hands. Bring your awareness to the neck, the space at the base of the skull, and soften the muscles there. Relax the throat and the jaw. Unclench the teeth. Relax the tongue on the roof of your mouth. Soften the eyes and the area around them. And finally, relax the forehead, allowing any tightness there to just melt. Your whole body is now resting, supported and gently renewed. Take a few deeper breaths. Allowing this sense of ease to expand. When you're ready, gently bring movement back to the fingers and toes. Stretch the body in whichever way feels right for you. And slowly open your eyes.